Do you know how to write Chinese character? Do you want to learn how to write Chinese character? That is a problem. For little kids, for older kids, for adults, anyone, this video is for everyone. Okay? My name is Tai. I'm everything. I teach English, I teach Chinese, I teach little kids, I teach older kids, I do social study, I do science, I do everything. If you have any questions, let me know. I will do what I can. I will have a free lessons every every day from 2 o'clock. Oh, sorry, from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. I will have a free lesson offered on YouTube stream, and if you follow me, you will be having these free classes. Okay, and that's it. That's so much about me. So today we're going to learn how to write Chinese from 1 to 10. Um, right here. So this is my story of writing Chinese. Okay, uh, from number 1 to 10. Excuse me. What is happening? Thank you. Okay, 1 to 10. Okay, so this is the story. Once upon a time, there's a little snake. E, E, E. And the little snakes, she find her mom. R. They become two snakes. R, R, R. And then they found their dad. Son, son, son. So they are three little snakes. The dad, the mom, and the kid, right? And they went to a warehouse, a huge warehouse. 四, 四, 四. And the kids is sleeping, the mom is sleeping, and the dad is guarding the door. And when they sleep, they made a sound. So the character is a 四, okay? And then the little snake woke up. What he wanted to, oh, sorry. And then the sky is getting cloudy. It started raining. The little snake is very, very naughty. He's trying to get out. But the mom say, no, 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 no. You're not going to get out. And then the dad is blocking the door. And there were the little kids say, ooh, ooh. So the character is 五. Number 5 is a 五. And then the sky is getting sunny again, right? The sun came out. The sun came out. Come out. I'm sorry. And then guess what? The little kids and the mom and dad went out, played tennis. See? This is the tennis net. This is the little kid, the snake mom and snake dad, right? And they hear the tennis ball go, liu, 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 right? So this one is a liu. 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 Okay. 然后呢 after the tennis practice, everyone went to a spa. They're sitting on this big bathtub. And they were like, right? Does it look like that? Look, arm, and this snake is sitting in the bathtub, right? And enjoying their spa, enjoying their steam shower, like 气气 啊。然后呢，我们看八八八八。八八八八八八八八八八八八，为什么突然有这种声音呢？因为他的爸爸遇见了一个敌人，你看见没有？像他的爸爸遇见了一个敌人，所以你看这个就是爸爸遇见了敌人。He made an enemy. Who is this enemy? Who is this person? This person is an evil dragon. So they start fighting, and the dragon is defeated. And finally, the dad prevailed. Before the dragon died, the dragon said, Please, 救救我，救救我 ，Save me, save me， 救救我，救救我，对不对？ So it's 救，救救我，救救我。And then the dad is really nice. The family, the snake family, they're real nice, right? They bury the evil dragon and they put a cross on top of the dragon's tomb, right? So this is two. And then they say, which means like R.I.P. dragon, you know, sleep in peace dragon, rest in peace dragon. So, so 10 means 10, okay? 10. Okay, so now we have 10 characters. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. 10 characters. Okay. That's it. This is how do you write from 1 to 10. If you have any questions, let me know. My name is Tai. You can call me 泰老师 OK? 泰老师或者 Mr. Tai. And you can email me at TATA4444. 4 is a bad number in Chinese, but I use it because my lucky number is 4. 4444 at gmail.com. Excuse me, gmail.com. Okay, so any question, let me know. I will be happy to answer. Subscribe the video. I will post a Chinese character instruction every day from now on. I have a free class in the afternoon, 3 to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. Just let me know. And bye. How do I say bye to this?